Alright, so the Maurice's black market vending machine is on Meridian outskirts, and you're gonna wanna come down here to wait, no, it's up here. You're gonna wanna come right over here, somewhere over here. There's like a big pole, and the vending machine is right over there. So we're gonna head there now, fairly slowly. Actually gonna be using a car for this. And just about there. Let's see if I've got it right. I think I have. I can already see it is over there. Well, I was close. Oh, it was actually right here. So yeah, we've made it. Right over here on the map. Oh, it's in the black circle. Okay, never mind. And it's the explosion, magnificent, and frozen snowshoe. Pretty good week to be honest.